Okay, the next portion in solid state, close pack structure. Okay, close pack structure. So when a crystal is formed, okay, that means during the formation of a crystal, the constituent particle try to pack together as closely as possible. Okay, so that there is maximum space within the crystal they can occupy. Okay, so this type of packing is called close pack structure. Okay, so remember one thing: when a crystal is formed, its constituent particles try to pack as closely as possible. Okay, so that there is a minimum available unoccupied space. So we will discuss the close pack structure in one dimension, two dimension, and three dimension. So first we will discuss close pack structure case of one dimension. Okay, so in case of one dimension close pack structure, the constituent particles. Okay, so here we consider a symmetrical sphere. Okay, so in this case, the spheres are touches with each other. Okay, along a row. This is one dimensional close pack structure. Okay, so in this case, each sphere in contact with two other spheres. Okay, in this case, in case of one dimensional close pack structure, each sphere is in contact with two other sphere. Okay, so that's why the coordination number of particles in one dimension closed pack structure is 2. Okay, so now what is coordination number? Coordination number means uh, okay, number of particles or number of sphere. Okay, touch a sphere, that number of sphere is called coordination number. In other words, okay, the maximum number of nearest neighbor particles surrounding a given particle in a closed pack structure is known as the coordination number of that particle. Okay, so in case of one dimension closed pack structure, it is clearly seen that each particle is in contact with two other particles. Okay, that means clear what is coordination number? Number of particles touched a particle. Okay, is coordination number actually. So large coordination number indicates higher packing efficiency. Okay, higher packing efficiency means less amount of unavailable space. Okay, so highest packing efficiency means lowest unoccupied space. So higher coordination number indicates the high packing efficiency. Okay, so next, closed packed arrangement in case of two dimension. Okay, so when a two dimension closed packed is formed, clear. So when we place okay a second row over the top of sphere of the first row, a two dimension closed packed is formed. Okay, so there are two possible ways in case of two dimension closed pack structure. Okay, one is a square closed packing, other is hexagonal closed packing. Okay, so first we will discuss about a square closed packing. Okay, so when a square closed pack is formed, okay, so in this case each layer is identical. Okay, first layer, second layer is the repetition of the first layer, third layer is the repetition of the second layer. Okay, and so on, fourth layer is the repetition of the third layer. So in this case we place second rows over the top of the first rows. Okay, so this is the way a square closed pack is formed. So why this is called a square closed packing? Okay, so in this case, each particles is in contact with four nearest neighbor particles. Okay, which is here denoted by black color. Okay, so here each particles is surrounded by four nearest neighbor particles. Okay, so if we join the center of these four black sphere, okay, we will get a square. Clear? If we join the center of these four black sphere by a line, we will get a square. That's why this type of arrangement is called square close packing. Okay, why it is called square close packing? Clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. So this is A type. Clear? A type. A type means each row is identical. Okay, that's why it is called A type, or you can say BB or CC type. Okay, because each row is identical. So that's why it is called A type. Okay, if we consider first row as A, then second row is also A, third row is also A, fourth row is also A. So that's why it is called A type. Okay, coordination number is 4 because here each particle is touched with four others particle, so that's why coordination number 4. Okay, our packing efficiency 52.4%. So this is a mathematical calculation. Okay, we'll discuss later. So remember, square close packing, every row is identical, coordination number is 4, and packing efficiency 52.4%. Okay, this is two-dimensional square close packing. Okay, so in this case, each particle, each sphere is on the top of the other sphere. Okay, not in the depression, on the top of the other sphere. Next, another possible arrangement of two-dimension close pack arrangement. Okay, so this is called hexagonal close packing. Okay, so in this case, we will place second row, okay, not on the top of the first row. In this case, we will place second row on the depression of the first row. Okay, so depression means here when we just see the first row. Okay, so there is a some unoccupied space. Okay, when two sphere touches with each other. Okay, so these space are called depression. Okay, so in case of hexagonal close packing, second row is placed on the depression of the first row. Okay, so here first row and second row is not identical. Okay, that means here second row is not the repetition of the first row. Okay, in the next layer, okay, when we place third row, okay, so third row is also on the depression of the second row, but here third row and first row are identical. Okay, similarly fourth row and second row are identical. Okay, then fourth row is the repetition of the second row, and third row is the repetition of the first row. Okay, so in case of when we when we will form a hexagonal close pack structure, okay, we will place the sphere the depression of the other layer. Okay, so that's this is the way a hexagonal close pack is formed. So why it is called hexagonal? Similarly, in this case, each sphere is surrounded by 6 nearest neighbor sphere. Okay, which is denoted by deep blue color. Okay, so if the center of these 6 sphere are joined through a line, a hexagon, a regular hexagon is formed. Okay, so that's why this type of arrangement is called hexagonal close packing arrangement. Okay, so in this case, this is AB type. Okay, that means here first row and second row is not identical. That's why AB, but other are repetition of the first and second row. Okay, so that's why this is called AB. But in case of square close packing, each row is identical. That's why AA type. Okay, but here each row not identical. That's why two row, here two types of row are possible. So that's why AB type. So here coordination number of 6, and packing efficiency is higher than the packing efficiency of square close packing. Okay, because we know coordination number of hexagonal close packing is greater than the coordination number of square close packing. Okay, so as we know, large coordination number means higher packing efficiency. So that's why packing efficiency of hexagonal close packing is higher than the packing efficiency of square close packing. Okay, so it is also clearly seen from the picture. Okay, if you see the unoccupied space among the particles in case of hexagonal close packing and in case of square close packing. Okay, so in case of hexagonal close packing, the unoccupied space or void is a triangular. Okay, triangular type, but here is a square type. Okay, so here the unoccupied space are larger in case of square close packing. Okay, so from the picture it is also clear the unoccupied space is higher in case of square close packing. So that's why packing efficiency of square close packing is lower than that of packing efficiency of hexagonal close packing. Okay, so remember always higher coordination number means higher packing efficiency. Okay, so this is a two-dimensional arrangement. One is square close packing, the other is hexagonal close packing. Okay, any question? Any question?
No,
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is two-dimensional. Next, so two-dimensional, one-dimensional is very easy. Okay, but three-dimensional is difficult. Let's discuss three-dimensional packing efficiency. Okay. So first, if we compare the hexagonal close packing and cubic close square close packing. Okay, so in case of hexagonal close packing, the packing efficiency is highest. So we will consider in case of three-dimensional arrangement, hexagonal close packing. Okay, so this is the first layer. Okay, this is the first layer. You will see the second row is on the depression of the first row, and third row is on the depression of the second row. Okay, so here two types of void marked by X and Y. In case of X, the vertex are pointing downward, and in case of Y, the vertex are pointing upward. Okay, clear? Here two types of triangular void. One is pointing downward, one is pointing upward. Okay, and denoted by X and Y. Clear? So why we will choose hexagonal close packing? Because of higher packing efficiency. Okay, so three-dimensional means we will place a layer, okay, above the two-dimensional packing. So let's see the next picture. Okay, so here second layer is placed, okay, on the mark of Y. Okay, clear? In this case, we will place second layer, which is denoted by dotted circle. Okay, above void marked by Y. Clear? Second layer.
No, sir.
So placing of second. No. Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. The first see this picture. Okay, single picture. Void X and Y. Okay, this picture is clear. Two type of voids X and Y.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we will place the second layer on the mark of Y. Okay, here. See, we will place second layer on the mark of Y, which is denoted by T. Okay, just see the these two slide. Okay, we will place the second layer, three dimension ना, तो इसीलिए ऊपर प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. Y के ऊपर है ना नहीं है पहले बताओ. T जो है वो तो Y है ना, जो सेकेंड स्लाइड में जो
Yes,
T
sir.
मार्क है वो तो Y है ना. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
second, okay, so there are two types of देखो mark. One is T O T dash. Okay, so T means tetrahedral, O means octahedral. We will discuss later. So here two types of void clearly seen. In case of O, okay, in case of O, two types of triangular void. Okay, combined. In the below, which is marked by green, is triangular pointing downward. In case of above layer, which is denoted by dotted red, is pointing upward. Okay, so T and O is different or not? T and O different or not? T and
Yes, sir.
O
Yes, sir.
Different.
Different.
different. Okay, so T dash different, O different. Okay. नेक्स्ट तो ये तो सेकेंड लेयर हो गया ना, इसके बाद ही प्रॉब्लम आएगा. ओके, तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ द थर्ड लेयर we will get two types of three-dimensional close pack structure. One is called hexagonal close packing, other is called cubic close packing. Okay, so first layer, second layer too easy. Next, third layer. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we will place third layer, okay, on the mark of T dash. Clear? We will place third layer on the mark of T dash. Okay, so this, in this case, the third layer will be the repetition of the first layer. Okay, in this case, the third layer will be the repetition of the first layer. Okay, तो थोड़ा imagination power चाहिए. Okay, 3 dimension थोड़ा difficult है. Clear? If we place the third layer on the T dash, okay, so in this case the third layer will be the repetition of the first layer. Okay, so in this case we will get AB type. Okay, so this type of arrangement is called hexagonal close packing structure. Clear? Third layer, पूछो कोई डाउट है तो. थर्ड लेयर क्लियर? Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Okay, so this type of we call hexagonal close packing structure. Okay, so देखो layer A, layer B, layer B. So this is AB type. Okay, AB type मतलब and coordination number is 12. Okay, coordination number 12 means on layer 6 particles and above 3 particles and below 3 particles. Okay, so that's why coordination number is 12. Okay, if we consider one particle, okay, just see in the picture. Okay, the green dotted. Okay, consider a green circle in the this picture. Consider a green circle. Okay, in this picture, so you will get, so the first layer surrounded by 6 circle. Clear? If you consider a green circle in the first layer is surrounded by 6 layer, and above layer it is touches with 3 red sphere. Okay, and but here, so in its own layer surrounded by 6 circle or 6 sphere, above, in the above layer it is surrounded by 3, touches with 3, and below touches another 3. So in this way the coordination number is 12. Okay, any doubt? Coordination number, any doubt?
No, sir.
How 12 coordination? Okay, so remember, okay, types of the arrangement: AB type, number of coordination number, and packing efficiency 74%. Okay, so here this is the unit cell of hexagonal close pack structure. Okay, this is the unit cell AB. Clear? So this is the unit cell of what is the coordination number of this unit cell? Sorry, coordination number. Total number of particles. Calculate total number of particles in this coordination number. Okay. तो 6 मैं तो लिख दिया. ठीक है, तो how can you calculate that tell me how it is 6. Is the unit cell of hexagonal closed pack structure. Okay, how it is 6? Anyone? How it, total number of particles 6? Anyone? How is it 6?
Sir, because the total number of nearest neighboring particles is 6.
ना वो तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स नंबर हो गया ना. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स जैसे कैलकुलेट किया ना, एफसीसी बीसीसी सिंपल क्यूब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/4 इन बॉडी सेंटर 1. okay, this way you have to calculate. No, coordinates number नहीं है, total number of particles. okay, in FCC तो 8 into 1/8 plus 6 into half calculate किया ना ऐसे. okay, this way you have to calculate total number of particles in HCP. बोलो. okay, देखो in the above layer okay, so here 1 to 6 particle in the above layer and in the below also 6 particle. okay, middle particle को छोड़ो. so it is surrounded by 3. okay, so 12 into 1/3 4. है नहीं है. ऊपर देखो, ऊपर लेयर देखो, नीचे लेयर देखो. ओके, एंड मिडिल पार्टिकल को छोड़ो. कंसीडर 6 above and below 6 पार्टिकल. टोटल 12 into कितना होगा 1/3.
1/3
1 नहीं होगा. बेंजीन रिंग, अगर बेंजीन रिंग ओके, बेंजीन रिंग कंसीडर करो ना. ऊपर नीचे तो बेंजीन रिंग है ना, हेक्सागन.
yes
तो
sir
पेन पेपर नहीं है ना, मोबाइल में बना. तो 3 होता है ना, माने शेयर बाय 3 अदर बेंजीन रिंग ना. वन कॉर्नर ऑफ ए बेंजीन रिंग इज शेयर्ड बाय 3. ओके, तो 1/3 हो गया 4. ओके, 1/3 into 12 हो गया 4. क्लियर. एंड ऊपर नीचे 2,
yes sir
2 into half 1 हो गया. ऊपर नीचे 2, 2 into half हो गया.
yes sir
ठीक है. और 3 कैसे होगा? 3 मिडिल में जो 3 है,
बाकी का 3 तो मिडिल में ही है. 3 वो उसमें ही बिलोंग करता है
ना मिडिल में नहीं है, मिडिल में नहीं, फेस में है ना.
फेस में है तो सर हर एक पार्टिकल का
फ्रैक्शन
हाफ बिलोंग करता है.
तो फ्रैक्शन आ जाएगा
1/2
ना.
बिलोंग करता है. यस सर
तो फ्रैक्शन आ जाएगा. वो भी तो ठीक है. 6 कहाँ से आ गए? फेस में है क्या ये? ठीक है, चलो बाद में बताऊंगा. ओके, देख के. वो तो हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, एबीएबी टाइप, कोऑर्डिनेट नंबर 12. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा. ओके, व्हाट इज द यूनिट सेल ऑफ हेक्सागोनल क्लोज स्ट्रक्चर? दिस इज द यूनिट सेल. so next square close cubic close packing or CCP. okay, so here also in this case third layer will be placed on which mark? HCP तो हो गया.
O
okay,
mark.
we place on T dash.
O mark.
O mark. okay, so in this case we placed third layer on the O mark. okay, so here in this case third layer is also not repetition of the first layer and second layer. okay, so this is totally a different layer. when a cubic closed CCP is formed, this type is called ABC. okay, So in this case, the third layer is placed on the O mark. Okay. So here, third layer, second layer, and first layer is totally different layer, or their orientation are not same. Okay. So if we repeat in this way, we get a cubic close packing structure. Okay. So this is ABC. Here also coordination number is 12. Okay. Its own layer is 6, above layer 3, and below layer 3. Total coordination number is 12. That means in this in both arrangement HCP and CCP, one particles are in touch with 4 other particle. Okay. 6 is its own layer, and 3 above its layer, and 3 below its layer. Okay. Packing efficiency same in both the cases. Okay. Packing efficiency is same in both the cases. हाँ एक्चुअली हाँ इस देखो मिडिल में भी ना 3 अदर रिंग अदर हेक्सागन के साथ शेयर होता है. ओके इसलिए 3 into 1/3. सो 1 2 into 1/2 1. ओके तो 4 plus 1 plus 1, so total number of 6. ओके इन दिस जो मिडिल पार्टिकल है ना 3, तो शेयर विथ 3 अदर हेक्सागन. सो दैट्स व्हाई 3 into 1/1/3. Okay, 3 into 1/3, so 1, so total 6. Okay, so CCP, so this is the unit cell of CCP. Okay, so actually this is a FCC unit cell. Clear? The unit cell of CCP is a FCC unit cell. Okay, so obviously total number of particles will be 4. We know in case of FCC unit cell, total number of particles is 4. Okay, so in case of so that's why CCP is also called FCC structure. Okay, CCP and FCC are same, and HCP is hexagonal close pack structure. ठीक है बताओ कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो CCP और FCC का, और उसके बाद तो void जाएगा. Any question about close pack structure? Any question? Hello, any question?
No, sir.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा. ठीक है, इतना डिटेल्स तो नहीं आएगा, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा. Next, okay, so if we see this picture, okay, there is a unoccupied space. Okay, that means in this space no particles is reside. Okay, so this unoccupied space or unoccupied site is called void. Okay, so in every arrangement, in every close pack arrangement, there is a unoccupied space or unoccupied site, which is called void. Okay, so there are 2 types of void. One is called tetrahedral voids, other is called octahedral voids. Okay, so void means unoccupied space. Okay, it is also called hole, tetrahedral hole, octahedral hole. This is so when a tetrahedral void is formed, when a octahedral void is formed. Okay, so see this picture, this slide. Okay, so see the T mark. Okay, T mark is a void. Okay, so this void is surrounded by 4 particles. Okay, so tetrahedral means 4. Clear? So if suppose there is a cube. Okay, so if we placed 4 particles in alternate corner, a regular tetrahedron is formed. Okay, when a tetrahedral or tetrahedral is formed, tetrahedron, just listen, if you placed 4 particles, okay, in a alternate corner of a cube, then a regular tetrahedron is formed. Okay, in case of calculation, if we place 4 particles in alternate corner of a cube, a regular tetrahedron is formed. Okay, so in this case, the void is formed and the center of that cube, a tetrahedral void is formed. Okay, clear? Suppose consider a cube, okay, and placed 4 particles at alternate corner of that cube, then a tetrahedral void is created at the center of that cube. Okay, this is the way a tetrahedral void is formed. Okay, so this is the picture. Okay, so always a tetrahedral void is surrounded by 4 other particles. Okay, always a tetrahedral void is surrounded by 4 other particles. So in we'll see by calculation we'll show that if number of particles is x, then the number of tetrahedral void is 2x. Okay, we'll show by calculation. Just remember, number of tetrahedral void is always 2 times than that number of particles. Okay, octahedral voids. Okay, here see, just see the mark of O. Okay, so here 2 types of triangular is formed. Okay, 2 types of depression. Green is pointing downward, red triangular is pointing upward. Okay, so 2 types of triangular depression is seen here. Okay, and this depression is touches with 6 particles. Okay, so in case of octahedral void, octahedral voids are surrounded by 6 other particles. Okay, so this is octahedral void. Clear? Here also, so always in case of octahedral void, 2 types of triangular depression is seen. Okay, just they are pointing just opposite to each other. Okay, here is the picture of in the center a octahedral void is formed. Clear? So if we consider a FCC structure, okay, if we consider a FCC unit cell, clear, then octahedral void is at the center of FCC and the center of each edges. Okay, remember, if you consider a FCC unit cell, face center cubic unit cell, the octahedral void is at the center of the FCC unit cell and the center of the each edges of the unit cell. Okay, so tell me, how many voids are present in FCC unit cell? If voids, octahedral voids are at the center of the FCC unit cell and at the center of each edges, then how many octahedral voids are present in the FCC unit cell?
2.
ठीक से कैलकुलेशन करो, 2 कैसे होगा? ठीक से कैलकुलेशन करो. Question clear? Is question clear? tetrahedral void সেন্টারে আছে,
4
প্রতিটা এজের মাঝে আছে।
4
किसने बोला 4? 4 कौन बोला?
मैंने सर
4 ही होगा, ठीक है। 4 एस डी, ठीक है। तो 4 सेंटर मीन्स टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन 1, टोटल 12 एजेस, 12 इंटू 1 बाई कितना होगा? 12 इंटू 1 बाई, इन केस ऑफ एजेस 12 इंटू 1 बाई
8.
12 इंटू 1 बाई, अरे 2 दिन पहले बोला था ना, इन केस ऑफ एजेस 1 बाई 4, 1 बाई 4,
1 by 4.
1 by 4, तो 1 plus 12 into 1 by 4, so total 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Okay, so in FCC octahedral voids, in FCC, okay, total number 4. So in case of FCC, total number of particles, in case of FCC, total number of particles, how many particles are present in FCC unit cell? How many particles are present in FCC unit cell?
4.
4. Okay, so that means in case of FCC unit cell, number of particles equals to number of octahedral void. Okay, so that's why number of octahedral void is always equals to number of particles. Clear calculation?
Yes,
In
sir.
FCC unit cell, total number of particles 4. In case of total number of void is octahedral void is also 4. So that's why total number of particles equals to total number of octahedral voids. Okay, so in case of octahedral voids, okay, so where octahedral void is situated. So if you cut a simple cube into 8 cubes, okay, let us consider if we cut a cube into 8 other small cube, okay, then tetrahedral void is situated at the center of the 8 cube. Okay, if we cut a cube into 8 small cube, okay, then center of the each small cube contains a tetrahedral void. Okay, so that means total number of tetrahedral void equals to 8 and total number of particles equals to 4. So number of tetrahedral void is 2 times of the number of particles. So that's why in case of tetrahedral voids, if number of particles is x, then the total number of tetrahedral void is 2x, or 2 times of the particles. Okay, so clear why in which place tetrahedral void is situated?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a way of calculation. Okay, so one more time, octahedral voids are in at the center of the FCC unit cell and the center of the edges of the cube. Okay, and tetrahedral voids at the center of the 8 small cube. Okay, so always tetrahedral void is twice of the number of particles and octahedral void is equals to number of the particles. Okay, so let's discuss two numerical. Okay, so very easy. Okay, solid numerical. First numerical, a crystalline compound consists of elements A and B. So atoms of B form CCP structure, that means B form close pack structure. Okay, and half of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by A atoms. Determine the empirical formula of the compound. Clear? So B forms the crystal and A form the tetrahedral void. Okay, and half of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by A atoms. Not total or tetrahedral voids are occupied by A atoms. Okay, only half. So first, कैसे होगा बताओ? Let number of B atom equal to X. Okay. So number of total tetrahedral voids क्या होगा? 2x. If number of B atom equal to X, then tetrahedral void क्या होगा? 2x या X?
Yes, sir. Twice x होगा.
2x होगा तो? Twice x. So
Yes,
here
sir.
half of the 2x is occupied by A. So total number of A atoms half into 2x. Okay. Equal to X.
Up into
So A half into 2x. Okay,
Yes,
half
sir.
into 2x. So ratio karo A x is to x. That means 1:1. So
1 into 1.
empirical
1 is
formula
to 1.
1:1 मतलब AB formula. Clear? Anyone? Any question? तो स्कूल में तो नेटवर्क नहीं बना, डिजिटल बोर्ड से मैं दिखा था, मोबाइल से पेन नहीं है. क्लियर? एनीवन? एनी क्वेश्चन? ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल आएगा. ओके, इजी न्यूमेरिकल. एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, easy numerical. Okay, so in case of octahedral always twice, same. In case of tetrahedral always twice. So next in the crystalline compound PQ. Okay, So Q atom form here crystal, and question is what is the total number of voids in 0.25 mole of the compound. Okay, total number of voids means octahedral voids as well as tetrahedral voids. Okay, so tell कैसे होगा न्यूमेरिकल बताओ. कैसे होगा पहले ये बताओ, वॉइड कितना होगा, टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड कितना होगा और ऑक्टेहेड्रल वॉइड कितना होगा, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोल ही बताओ. ठीक है, ऑक्टेहेड्रल वॉइड कितना होगा, ऑक्टेहेड्रल वॉइड
सर जितना नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स उतना ही होगा.
मतलब 0.25 मोल ही होगा. ठीक है,
यस सर.
ऑक्टेहेड्रल वॉइड 0.25 होगा और टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड 0.25 into 2, दैट मींस 0.5 होगा. ठीक है, तो टोटल वॉइड कितना होगा 0.75.
सर लेकिन यहाँ पे 0.25 मोल टोटल वर्ड्स बोला गया है. इसका मतलब टेट्राहेड्रल वर्ड्स
हाँ,
प्लस ऑक्टाहेड्रल वर्ड्स होके 0.25 मोल होगा.
इसीलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ ना. हाँ, 0.75 होगा ना, 0.75.
यस सर.
टेट्राहेड्रल डबल 0.5, ऑक्टाहेड्रल सेम 0.5 plus 0.25 equals to 0.75. Okay, then you can multiply it with Avogadro number. Okay, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. ठीक है.
सर
चलो बताओ, कुछ डाउट है तो किसी का. ऑक्टेहेड्रल वॉइड टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, बाकी तो जो क्लोज पैक्ड स्ट्रक्चर है ना, तो क्लोज पैक्ड स्ट्रक्चर में तो सिर्फ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ, ओके, पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी, ऐसे आएगा. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी, टाइप, यूनिट सेल of the CCP, unit cell of the HCP, और octahedral void tetrahedral void definition. Okay, and numerical definition मतलब शॉर्ट नोट आ सकता है और न्यूमेरिकल्स आएगा, ऐसे सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, वेरी इजी. चलो बताओ, कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो बताओ. तो नेक्स्ट डे डिफेक्ट पढ़ाऊंगा. ओके, कल डिफेक्ट ऑफ क्रिस्टल. ठीक है,
ओके सर.
चलो बाय.